Right, this is my papa's computer. Right, this mine inside of here. I'll show you what's so cool about this computer. Bingo. I want to go over to here, right? Look at this. Boom, boom. Oops, boom. Oh, it's touchscreen. Look. Maximize. Max. See? Oh, minus. And so you like drag a finger. Let's go to Cyberlink. It's not working right now, but keyboard. A-I-R-I-E-D-D. Back, and exit. Oh yes, I'll show you something very cool right here. Let's search up this. Keyboard. 30. Let's go to numbers. 39. Say 39. Let's go back to game.com. Say go and dun. And then see I can exit out of that. Let's play some Rays. And let's see if I can just play Rays. My fingers. Alright. Oh, I can zoom in. See, look. Rays. Alright, I'm gonna scroll down now. You are now loading. Alright. Let's play. Still kill. I'm in Florida right now too. So yeah. New game. It's a new game. Save and exit. Champion. Human. Level 1. Alright. Start. Right. Let's go, man. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Yeah, man. Whoa. Come on. Minimize. Alright. Come on. Alright. You wanna follow this tracer? Come on. Fine, do you wanna be that picky? Alright, fine. Double jump. Now let's see. Let's kill somebody with the touchscreen computer. Sorry, my lips just whistled. Oh dear, he has a sniper. Touchscreen battle force. Did I kill you? Oh no. Oh, battle force time. Maximize my abilities. You really want to go that far? Hey yo, what's up? Right. Hey yo. Oh. Right, let me show you how it's done for real. Come on, join the party. Say, come on with me. It's fun. Come on, real quick. Oh my gosh, it was a rocket launcher. Come on, real quick. Come on, real time, man, real time. Ooh, oh, crap. Oop, that's it. Woohoo. Touchscreen computer. Whoa.